This is the production line for the world's top automobiles. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class sedan is located at the new production plant in Bremen, Germany. Today, we will take a look at the best-selling car of the past decade, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class, and the entire production process. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class series will begin production at the Bremen factory, occupying a 4,000 project engineering production base that includes over 450,000 square meters of top luxury car manufacturing space. Here, the world's most advanced automobile manufacturing technology and techniques are showcased. This is the most basic material for producing cars, steel, which will be stamped into various parts of the car's body. Stamping is the first process in the entire automobile manufacturing process. In other words, it means following predetermined design requirements, the use of molds to make steel into shape. Currently, the bodies of cars are made from steel plates or alloys. The body of a car includes the front and rear fenders, side panels, doors, and roof, all of which are put together. 3 key factors that affect stamping are molds, equipment, and design. The sheet selection of the metal is important as it greatly affects the safety of the whole car, which is also a top concern for many consumers. The sheet metal parts that have been formed are welded together to form the white body. In simpler terms, it means assembling and welding together the various sheet metal parts that have been stamped and formed. Therefore, the quality of welding plays a crucial role in the overall stability of the vehicle body. Good quality welding, the vehicle's body is less likely to crack, break, or even rust. A car has about 6,000 welding points approximately. We can see that the welding work on the Mercedes C-Class is mainly carried out by robots, with little involvement of manual labor. The main equipment used is spot welding guns, coating equipment, and seam welding equipment. The many robots that work in collaboration use German KUKA robots. KUKA robots are also quite well known. Next is robot glue coating. In today's automotive production process, glue coating is becoming more and more widely used, especially in improving the performance of lightweight, energy-saving cars. The quality of the glue treatment, the sealing performance, heat insulation, corrosion resistance, and noise reduction of the car body, aesthetics. Therefore, each car manufacturer has strict requirements for the gluing process. Nowadays, for the sake of work efficiency and reducing labor costs, while considering the precision requirements of gluing and other aspects, many traditional manual gluing tools have been replaced by robots for automated construction. The next important step in the entire manufacturing process is painting. We can see that Mercedes-Benz uses robotic spray equipment for the entire car painting process. The arms usually have 5 degrees of freedom. The mechanical arms have a wide range of motion. At the same time, it can do complex movement. Especially when it comes to wrists. It can have 2 or 3 levels, the flexibility. It can bend in all directions, and can rotate similar to a human wrist. It is convenient to enter small holes and spray their surfaces. The spraying robot can spray precisely along the trajectory, and can accurately control the thickness of spraying, keeping the deviation to a minimum. After the job is done, the paint surface is checked with special equipment, especially the thickness and uniformity. These are important factors in the coating process. Automotive spray robots can meet safety requirements, environmental protection, efficiency, stability, and high-quality spraying as much as possible. Finally, there is the car final assembly workshop. Now, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class has made important changes to the final assembly. Different from normal production lines, the new final assembly workshop includes multiple production units. Simply put, it's a 3-dimensional operation. This allows for flexible combinations between various assembly components. The overall efficiency is better. Here, we can also see robot operations. Unmanned transportation systems have replaced traditional conveyor belts. Even the installation of the entire instrument panel is completed and fixed by robots. Of course, in the final meeting, the workers are still there. They conduct overall inspections on the assembled components. At the Bremen factory, the digitalization is used in all areas, including management. From stamping to bodywork, surface treatment and final assembly, all production data can be tracked in real time, ensuring that every vehicle leaving the factory falls within production standards. That's all for the video on the C-Class production process. Stay tuned for further updates. The next episode of the video will be exciting.